We're on a mission to surprise 3 of our very own customers purchasing a phone who are also mothers from 3 different ENet stores. They'll only know we're whisking them away, but the destination will remain a mystery. To make this happen, we need a team at each store, so we have Tevin at Giftland, Lyndon at Camp Street, and Ashley at West Central Mall in Lenora. Come along with us for the ENet Mother's Day Heist.
So you've been selected for the ENet's Mother's Day Heist. We have a few stuff lined up for you. We cannot tell you what it is or where we'll be taking you. You have to trust us. Are you in?
Yes.
We made sure each mom had some extra time to spend the day with us. Thankfully, they all did, making the first part of the ENet Mother's Day Heist a success. Their first surprise, a bouquet accompanied with a special note.
My mom said, come let me go, you have to check the phone and the SIM.
See? And today is your lucky day.
Our moms from the other stores made it back just in time to hop aboard the Mother's Day Heist bus. Now they're off for an incredible day.
Let's find your glow. It's on us.
Stay tuned to find out where we'll take them and what surprises await in the next episode of the ENet Mother's Day Heist.
Where do you think we're going right now?
Well, I can't really say.
A wild guess. Do you know?
No.
Nope.
Just excited to know. When we reach there, I'll be even more excited, but just waiting and see.
And now, get the mother of all deals on the S24 Ultra, now on sale only at ENet. Promotion ends May 12.